In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate your draw.io diagrams using ChatGPT. This is a really useful method that can save you a lot of time, especially if you regularly create flowcharts, system diagrams, mind maps, or project visuals for work, school, or presentations. Instead of building everything manually from scratch, you can use ChatGPT to generate the XML structure for your diagram in seconds. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the ChatGPT website. Once you're on the homepage, think about the type of diagram you want to create. It could be a workflow chart, an organizational structure, a database design, or even a network diagram. Before writing your prompt, try to plan out the different elements you want included, such as shapes, labels, connections, and the overall layout. The more detailed your prompt is, the more accurate and organized the generated XML code will be. Now, inside ChatGPT, type a prompt asking it to generate XML code for a draw.io diagram. Be specific about what you want. For example, you can mention the number of nodes, the text inside each shape, the type of connections between elements, and even the colors or styles you'd like to use. Once ChatGPT generates the XML code, carefully review it and then copy the entire code snippet. Usually there will be a copy button that makes this quick and easy. After copying the XML code, open Notepad or any plain text editor on your computer. Paste the code into the editor exactly as it appears. This step is important because it allows you to save the file in the correct format for draw.io to read. Next, click on File in the top left corner and select Save As. Give the file a name you can easily remember and make sure to save it with the .xml extension. Also, don't forget to change the Save as Type option to all files, so the file doesn't accidentally save as a text document. Now it's time to import the file into draw.io. Open your browser again and go to the draw.io website. Once the site loads, click on the File menu in the top left corner, then choose Import From, followed by Device. Browse your computer for the XML file you just saved and open it. After importing, draw.io will automatically generate the diagram based on the XML structure created by ChatGPT. Within seconds, you'll see your diagram appear on the screen, ready for editing and customization. From there, you can move shapes around, adjust colors, add extra connections, or make any other changes directly inside draw.io. This method is a huge time saver and can make creating complex diagrams much faster and more efficient. And that's basically it. You've successfully used ChatGPT to automate diagram creation in draw.io. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and thanks for watching.